guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to create this matte green smoky eyes, the look which I wore in my last video, and a lot of you guys actually requested me to recreate this for you. So here it is, and for getting this look I'm going to try some new products which I recently purchased and pair this with this gorgeous nude lips. So I hope you're going to like this video. Before going to that, make sure you're subscribed, and let's get started with this video. To prep your lips, you just need to apply lip balm. For this, I'm using my favorite Maybelline BABYLIPS, and I have already done my eyebrows and moisturized my face using my favorite Suganda White Lotus moisturizer. Now it's time to apply primer on my face. So for priming my face, I'm using this Lotus ECOSTAY primer, which helps in blurring out my pores, makes my face looking matte, and also helps in lasting my makeup for a very long time. So with the help of my fingers, I'm just spreading it all over my face. For the foundation, I'm using this Sugar Drop the Base Serum foundation, which I'm trying for the first time, and this has got the messiest bottle ever. You just need to check it before use, and with the help of the dropper it comes with, I'm just putting it all over my face in several drops like this, and gonna just spread it with the help of my fingers and blend this in with the help of a new beauty blender which I'm gonna try now. So this is the Wiseshe Teardrop Beauty Blender, which comes with a big blender as well as a small chotu blender, and this is one of the squishiest and the softest beauty blender that I have used till date, guys. So with the help of this blender, I'm gonna blend out my foundation, and as you can see, this foundation is having the strongest yellow undertone. So at first I was a little bit skeptical about that fact that it will look weird on my face, but after I blended this out, it looks quite decent, and the coverage it provides is really good, guys. But if you belong to oily skin category, this foundation is not for you, as it is oil based, so it will actually make your skin feel oily. So I have applied my foundation. Now it's time to apply concealer, and for the concealer I'm using this Pack Spotlight Ready concealer, one of my favorite concealers, which has got the smudge proof as well as all the good things in it. So I'm just putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and also gonna prime my eyelids with this concealer, putting it on my cupid's bow, chin, around my mouth, and I'll be just blending this concealer in with the help of that small chotu blender. And this is also so squishy, guys. It's so soft, and it really blended my concealer so well. I'm really happy that I got this blender. If you want to get a very good beauty blender combo, you can try the Wiseshe one. It's so good. Highly recommended, guys. You can try this one. This is so soft and it works so well on my face. So I'm just blending this in all over my face like this. Now taking the big beauty blender, I'm gonna just run it all over my face like this, and you can see the foundation, the concealer combo as well as the beauty blender works so well on my face. Now in order to set my concealer and foundation, I'm using this Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder, and I'm gonna take the sponge and just dip it in the powder and set my overall face, just setting my under eyes, my eyelids. I'm not baking, but just keeping the powder at least for around 10 to 20 seconds, and then gonna just blend the powder in my face. And this is, you can see, this is how my base makeup looks like. Now it's time to complete my eye makeup, and for the eyes I'm using this Beauty Glazed Color Studio Press Powder eyeshadow palette, which comes with such stunning eyeshadows, guys. This is highly recommended. It has got the instant pigmentation ever. So I'm just setting my eyelids like this, and at first I'm taking this bottle green shade from the palette, which is completely matte, in a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna just spread it all over my lids like this. So this is very pigmented, as you can see, but the only drawback of this pigment is that it has got a lot of fallouts, as you can see. So make sure you do your eye makeup at first. From the palette, I'm going to take these two matte shades in a blending brush and put it all over my crease and blend out my crease really nicely so that everything looks much more even out and diffused. But make sure to concentrate the shades also in your outer corners as well to make your outer corners looks much more even out and there is no harsh lines. So take your time in blending the shade all over your crease as well as in your outer corners. Now I'm going to take the green from the palette again and reapply it all over my lid in order to intensify the green shade. From the palette again, I'm going to take these two shades in a pencil brush and run it all over my lower lash line, followed by the matte green shade very close to my waterline. So you can see this, it really helped in creating such a nice gradient in my lower waterline. Now for tightlining my upper waterline, I'm using this kohl from Swiss Beauty, which is really long lasting, really soft, and it's a jet black. And for my lower waterline, I'm gonna take a nude eye pencil from Diana of London in the shade beige, and this just adds everything to my eye game, guys. It helped in making my eyes look so open. It just adds everything. I'm also diffusing the green shade on my lower lash line. Now it's time to create a winged eyeliner, and for this I'm using this L'Oreal gel eyeliner in the shade Profound Black, and with the help of the brush it comes with, I'm going to create the wing. So this part is optional, guys. You can skip doing winged eyeliners, but you know that I just love creating winged eyeliners. So using small strokes, I'm going to create the wing on my eyes. So it seems that it needs a lot of time and effort to create a perfect wing, but believe me guys, practice just makes perfection. So with regular practice you can create a very good nice wing, and this just lifts your look to such an extent. So as you can see, I have created the wing, and this is how my eyes are looking now. For the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Big Shot Collosal mascara, and this doesn't add that much volume to my lashes, but it really helps in separating my lashes and lengthening my lashes. So I'm just adding good 2 coats of this mascara on my lower as well as my upper lashes. Also applied a pair of false eyelash from Befolan, which I got from Amazon. So my eyes are complete now. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for adding a little bit dimension to my face, I just need to contour my face using this contour kit from Nykaa, which I have almost finished up, guys. I just love this contouring shade. So using this contouring shade, I'm gonna put it under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadows, and it really helps in making my face look structured and defined. I'm also gonna contour my nose with the same shade as well. Now taking this deep peach sort of blush from Nykaa's blush palette, I'm gonna put it on the apples of my face, as you can see, and it pairs so well with this green smoky eye look. For the highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, one of my favorites, and using this highlighting brush, I'm gonna just put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, on the areas where I just need to add a lot more light. And you can see it looks so good. It has got a perfect mix of peach and champagne, which looks so good on Indian skin tones. I'm also going to take the shade and put it in the inner corners of my eyes, and also going to highlight my brow bone with the same shade as well. So you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. So now it's time to apply lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm using this Specta Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Alpha 105, and this is more like a coralish warm nude shade, and this looks so pretty, guys. It has got a complete matte formula, but it glides so smoothly on my lips. This I'm also trying for the first time, and I just love this shade, guys. Look at this, it looks so nice with this green smoky eyes. Now to make my makeup last for a very long time and to reduce its powderiness, I just need to set it using a makeup setting spray, and for this I'm using this L'Oreal setting spray, and this is how it turned out. This video, guys. I hope you really liked it, and I really like how it turned out. You can even pair this look with a brown lip shade as well. And if you like this video, then please hit on the like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want me to do any such looks, then please just leave a comment down below. We'll see you soon. Bye.